Limited on space but dreaming of a flourishing garden? Vertical gardening may be your perfect solution. Whether you're working with a balcony, patio, or just a sunny wall, vertical gardening transforms even the tiniest areas into vibrant, productive green spaces. At Botanical Bliss, we celebrate urban gardeners who grow creatively and vertically. This guide will walk you through simple, beautiful vertical gardening techniques to help you grow herbs, flowers, and even compact vegetables in the smallest of spaces. One of the easiest ways to garden vertically is by using trellises. These structures act like ladders for climbing plants and come in many forms: wooden panels, metal arches, bamboo lattices, or even upcycled furniture like old bed frames or window grills. Install a trellis along a sunny fence, wall, or balcony rail, and let your plants reach for the sky. Pole beans, cucumbers, sweet peas, and climbing nasturtiums are excellent choices. Trellises not only save precious ground space, but they also improve airflow and sunlight exposure, keeping your plants healthier and more productive. For added charm, paint wooden trellises in soft garden pastels or let flowering vines create a romantic cascading curtain of blooms. If your garden space is limited to railings or balconies, hanging gardens are an ideal option. So, to create a stunning vertical effect, suspend pots or baskets from ceiling hooks, wall brackets, or even balcony rails. This way you get these beautiful layers of greenery that, really draw the eye upward. Small herbs like basil, thyme, oregano, and mint do really well in hanging pots. And if you're looking for something a bit more colorful or, edible, cherry tomatoes, strawberries, and trailing petunias can offer both beauty and a little bit of bounty. For a more budget-friendly approach, you might want to try using repurposed items like fabric shoe organizers. Each pocket can become a mini planter, which is just perfect for, say, lettuce or herbs. Hanging gardens bring plants to eye level, making them easier to water, harvest, and enjoy. Living walls, sometimes called green walls, are show-stopping vertical gardens where plants grow in pockets or panels mounted directly on a wall. These can be crafted from wooden pallets, picture frames, or purchased modular systems made specifically for this purpose. Living walls are just perfect for ferns, succulents, pansies, or herbs like parsley and chives. They provide lush greenery without using any floor space, which is, super handy for small areas. They also offer natural insulation, help reduce air pollution, and bring a tranquil, botanical feel to any outdoor space. It's honestly amazing how much these walls can do. For a bit of added flair, you can mix foliage textures and flower colors to create a tapestry of life right on your wall. It's a really creative way to make your space unique. Rain gutters and PVC pipes can actually be upcycled into these sleek horizontal growing channels that you can mount along your walls or fences. These shallow containers are just perfect for growing leafy greens, radishes, and compact herbs. So to build your own, just cut the pipe or gutter lengthwise, drill some small drainage holes, and attach it securely to your chosen surface. Then, fill it with a lightweight potting mix and go ahead and plant your crops. These systems not only save ground space but also make gardening more accessible, especially helpful for anyone with limited mobility. Gutter gardens offer a clean, modern aesthetic and work beautifully along balconies or patio fences. One of the joys of vertical gardening is that it invites creativity. You don't need fancy planters to get started. Mason jars, tin cans, wine crates, baskets, and even plastic bottles can all become beautiful planters with just a little bit of imagination. So, you might want to mount those containers on wooden boards, stack them neatly in shelves, or even screw them onto a garden wall. Just make sure each container has proper drainage and remember to group plants with similar needs together. It's really that simple. Why not try a vertical herb tower for your kitchen garden? Or maybe a flower wall bursting with marigolds, pansies, or begonias? The possibilities are endless. Upcycling not only reduces waste but also adds character to your garden, making it uniquely yours. No yard? No problem. With vertical gardening, your space becomes limitless. Railings, walls, and fences become stages for cascading flowers, trailing herbs, and lush greenery. Whether you're crafting a vertical wildflower patch, a culinary herb wall, or a hanging garden of edible delights, vertical gardening brings joy, abundance, and natural beauty to any urban setting. If you found this guide inspiring, give it a like, share it with your fellow urban gardeners, and subscribe to Botanical Bliss for more creative, space-saving gardening ideas. Let's keep growing, beautifully and vertically.